Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to look at a question which belongs to indices, and the question says if 2 raised to x is equal to 3 raised to y is equal to 6 raised to minus z, then 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z is equal to. So these are the 4 options given and we need to choose one of the options which suits to this given expression. Now what we are going to do is, let us take 2 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of y is equal to 6 to the power of minus z. Let them all be equal to some constant k. So here we can write 2 to the power of x is equal to k, and we can write 3 to the power of y is equal to k. Similarly, we can write 6 to the power of minus z is equal to k, because all the three are equal to this constant. Now let us solve this one by one. Now according to the laws of indices, we know that whenever we are transferring or shifting the powers from one place to other place of the equal to sign, the power becomes the reciprocal when it moves on the other side. So what happens here is 2 equals, when I shift the power on the other side, it becomes k to the power of 1 over x, since here it was x over 1. So it flips and it becomes 1 over x. Now let us look at the next one, and we are going to do the same thing, that is we are going to send the y on the other side of equal to sign. So it becomes 3 is equal to k to the power of, since it is y over 1 here, it becomes 1 over y. Finally, when we move on to the last one, that is over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to shift the minus z on the other side. So it becomes 6 equals k to the power of, since here it is minus z over 1, it becomes here minus 1 over z. So this is the first thing I'm going to do, that is transfer the powers on the other side of equal to sign. Now let me concentrate on this 6. So I can write 6 as 2 times 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. Substitute in each place the values of k's which I have got. So in place of 6, I'm going to write it as k to the power of negative 1 over z equals. In place of 2, I'm going to write it as k to the power of 1 over x times, now 3 I can write it as k to the power of 1 over y. So let me write the left hand side the same way, k to the power of minus 1 over z equals. Now this uses the laws of indices, which says that if a is to the power of m times a is to the power of n, we can add the powers and write it as a to the power of m plus n. So we can see here the bases are same and there is a multiplication between these two bases. So we write the base once and we just add the powers. So here we can see the bases are k, so we will write k and we will add the powers. So it becomes 1 over x plus 1 over y. Once we have got the bases same on both the sides, we can just cancel off the bases and we can write it as minus 1 over z, which is the power on the left hand side, is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over y. We are just equating the powers once the bases have got same and we have cancelled them. So once we got this, let us take 1 over z on the other side. So the equation becomes 0 equals, since minus 1 over z has gone on the other side, no terms are left over here, so we take it as 0. So it becomes 1 over x plus 1 over y, and minus 1 over z becomes plus 1 over z. So I think this was the question which they had asked us, that is find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z. What is it equal to? So we solved it and we got 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1 over z equal to 0. So if we look at the options here, it belongs to option A. That is the answer, 0. This is how we solve this question, and hope you have understood and you have liked it, and thanks for watching.